Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Bow equals respect and humility. 1. A little bow, a lot of respect. Why? Even it's a simple gesture can show genuine courtesy. 2. When words say thank you, the bow says it twice. Why? It adds warmth and appreciation. 3. Bow mode activated, respect level 100%. Why? A playful way to express politeness. 4. Bow doesn't make you smaller, it shows a big heart. Why? Humility can be a sign of strength. 5. No fancy speech needed, just a respectful little bow. Why? Actions can communicate courtesy clearly. 6. When you're grateful, let your head do the talking. Why? A bow can mutually express thanks. 7. One small bow, one big I appreciate you. Why? It communicates appreciation without many words. 8. Bow politely, smile warmly, and keep the good vibes rolling. Why? Respects and friendliness go well together. 9. A respectful bow, the original thank you gesture. Why? It can accompany words of gratitude. 10. Lower the head, raise the respect. Why? The gesture represents humility. 11. A bow says, I see you, I respect you, and I appreciate you. Why? It can communicate several positive feelings. 12. Tiny movement, giant courtesy. Why? A small gesture can have meaningful social value. 13. When respect walks in, the bow politely follows. Why? It creates a friendly image of respectful behavior. 14. Bow with kindness, not pressure. Respect should feel natural. Why? Genuine courtesy comes from sincerity. 15. Bow is humility with excellent manners. Why? It combines modesty and politeness. 16. No cape required, just a little bow and a lot of class. Why? Respectful behavior can be simple and elegant. 17. The polite way to say how much respect without shouting it. Why? A bow can quietly express admiration. 18. Bow, smile, and keep your manners sparkling. Why? Courtesy makes interactions warmer. 19. Respect doesn't always need a microphone. Sometimes it just needs a bow. Why? Good gestures can speak volumes. 20. A bow is a small but the message is big. Respect, humility, and courtesy. Why? It summarizes the positive meaning behind the gesture. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias!